Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bank of America for custom credit card alerts. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Bank of America website. Once the page loads, look for the login section in the upper right corner. Enter your online ID and passcode. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. After logging in, locate the Accounts tab on the main menu. Select the account for which you want to set up custom credit card alerts. Find the Alerts option within your account details. Click on Manage Alerts to access the alert settings. You will see various types of alerts available for your account. Choose the types of alerts you wish to receive, such as transaction alerts, payment reminders, or balance updates. Next, customize your alert preferences by selecting how you would like to receive notifications. Options typically include email, text message, or mobile app notifications. After setting your preferences, review the summary of selected alerts. Once you are satisfied, click on the Save or Confirm button to apply the changes. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your alerts have been activated. To manage or change your alerts in the future, simply return to the Manage Alerts section. Log out of your account when you are finished. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.